How to replace the USB board. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and disconnect the battery. Removal. Remove the plastic mylar that secures the two USB ZIF connectors to the USB board. Lift the locking bars up on the two USB board ZIF connectors. Disconnect the two USB board ribbon cables from the USB board. Disconnect the DC-in cable from its connector on the USB board. Remove the four P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the USB board to the top cover. Grasp the edges of the USB board. Lift it off of the alignment pins, slide the external connectors out of the cutouts in the top cover, and remove. Replacement. Tow the external connectors on the USB board into the cutouts in the top cover, and lower the USB board onto its alignment pins. Replace the four P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the USB board to the top cover. Reconnect the DC-in cable to its connector on the USB board. Insert the USB board ribbon cables into their ZIF connectors on the USB board and press the locking bars down to lock the cables into place. Replace the plastic mylar that secures the two USB ZIF connectors to the USB board.